greatest favors of mine upon you that I appointed for you from amongst you the messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, لَقَدْ مَنَّ اللَّهُ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ إِذْ بَعَثَ فِيهِمْ رَسُولًا مِّنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ. It is indeed a great favor from Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has appointed a messenger amongst them from within them to do يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ, to recite the verses of God Almighty, to deliver the message of God Almighty to them, to purify them and teach them the book and the wisdom, the book, Al-Quran Al-Kareem, and the wisdom, His teachings, all the wise teachings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed Him with, which is His hadith, His sayings, His sunnah. And remember, Allah is saying, but remember, before this, people were in misguidance. They were in open, manifest darkness.